Imagine losing 3,000 kilograms of paddy per hectare just because you chose the wrong variety. This isn't just about a small loss, it's about directly impacting your family's income and the future of your farm. The right decision here can make all the difference, ensuring every seed planted turns into maximum profit. This decision is truly one of the most crucial you will make. In this video, we will answer your top questions about selecting the best rice varieties for your farm. You will learn how to choose based on yield potential, ideal duration, and the specific grain type your market demands. We'll cover everything from drought-tolerant options to high-value export varieties, making your selection process clear and confident. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge to boost your rice yield significantly, potentially increasing your harvest by 15 to 25%, even up to 3,000 kilograms per hectare. This means more income for your family, reduced input costs, and greater resilience against pests and diseases. Make informed choices and see your farm thrive. For every Indian farmer, selecting the right rice variety is one of the most crucial decisions. It directly impacts your yield, profitability, and farming sustainability. Choosing wisely can dramatically increase your harvest, protect your crop from diseases and pests, and make it resilient to changing weather. A well-suited variety ensures efficient use of water, fertilizer, and labor, leading to higher returns on your investment. We will now answer 10 key questions to guide your choice. One key consideration is the variety's duration. Rice varieties can be short, maturing in 90 to 110 days, medium, taking 110 to 130 days, or long, requiring 130 to 150 days. Short duration varieties like CR Dhan 310, which matures in 115 to 120 days, are ideal for multiple cropping systems or areas with limited water availability. For a balance of yield and duration, medium duration varieties like MTU 1010, maturing in 125 to 130 days, are widely adopted across many regions. When looking for the highest yielding paddy, modern high yielding varieties, or HYVs, are essential. These can produce significantly more than traditional ones, often yielding 5 to 7 tons per hectare under good management practices. For example, ADT 37 is known to produce around 6,200 kilograms per hectare. Always look for varieties with a proven track record of high yields specifically in your region to ensure maximum productivity from your land. Grain quality and market demand are vital. Different markets prefer specific grain types, whether fine, medium, coarse, or aromatic. If your local market prefers medium slender grains, choose accordingly. For long grains, varieties like IR36 and ADT38 are excellent choices known for their long slender grains. Basmati varieties, such as Pusa Basmati 1121 and Pusa Basmati 1509, are especially prized for their extra long, aromatic grains, catering to premium segments. For the new rice season, choosing a variety with a shorter duration is crucial. Varieties that mature in less than 120 days are typically ideal for this season. Short duration varieties are essential for farmers aiming for multiple cropping cycles within a year, or in regions where water availability might become limited towards the end of the season. CR Dhan 310, maturing in 115 to 120 days, fits this requirement well, allowing for flexibility in your farming schedule. When planning for the Samba season, a paddy variety with a duration of 130 to 135 days is generally recommended. This medium-long duration allows the crop ample time to grow and develop, often aligning with typical rainfall patterns for this season. Varieties like MTU 1010, which matures in 125 to 130 days, are widely adopted for their consistent yield and suitable duration, making them a reliable choice for the Samba season. For dry land farming, especially in rain-fed areas, drought-tolerant varieties are absolutely crucial. These varieties are specifically bred to withstand periods of limited water availability, ensuring a harvest even under challenging conditions. Examples include Kuruvika Lion and Puttu rice, which are known for their resilience in drier conditions. Choosing such stress-tolerant varieties protects your yield and makes your farm more sustainable in regions relying solely on monsoon rains. In flood-prone regions or areas with deep water, selecting submergence-tolerant varieties is essential. These special varieties can withstand being underwater for extended periods. For instance, Swarn Sub 1 is a game changer, tolerating submergence for up to 14 days, which is vital during heavy monsoons. Additionally, varieties like TNR1 and TNR2 are specifically adapted for deep water conditions, ensuring crop survival where other varieties would fail. If your objective is to target the export market, especially for aromatic rice, specific varieties fetch a much better price. Pusa Basmati 1121 and Pusa Basmati 1509 are excellent choices, fetching prices around 3000 rupees 4000 per quintal, significantly higher than common varieties. Basmati 370, also known as Himalaya Basmati, is another premium aromatic rice variety highly sought after in international markets for its quality and fragrance. To prevent the problem of wild paddy, which can compete with your cultivated crop, consider choosing a purple stem variety. The distinct color of the stem makes it easier to identify and differentiate from wild paddy during early growth stages. This simple visual characteristic aids in timely weeding and roguing, helping you maintain the purity of your crop and ensure that your resources benefit only your chosen rice variety. For farmers needing an extremely short duration crop, perhaps for very quick turnaround or specific cropping cycles, varieties like Stari are available. Stari paddy is known for its remarkably short maturity period, often ready for harvest in just about 70 days. This makes it an excellent choice for regions with very short growing windows or for situations where rapid harvest is required before the next crop or season begins. Making an informed choice in rice varieties brings significant benefits. You can expect higher yields, potentially seeing a 15 to 25% increase, along with reduced input costs from lower pesticide use due to resistance, and less water for short duration varieties. This improves your farm's resilience to climate challenges, enhances grain quality, and ultimately leads to greater farm profitability. Remember, the right variety, combined with good practices like applying 12. Please like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to the AgriPlus channel.